How to delete YouTube shorts from your channel. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the YouTube application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen over here. As you do that, tap on your videos option that pops up over here. So tap on your videos. Here you'll be able to see all your videos that you have posted. So you can see different segments, videos, shorts and live. Tap on shorts and here you can see all your shorts. Now if you want to delete a particular short, then tap on the three dotted lines beside every video. Now scroll down and you'll be able to see the option of delete. So tap on delete. And as you tap on delete, it will give you a pop-up that if you really want to delete this video, so tap on delete again over here. And there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.